Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.
The global demand for lithium ion batteries is expected to soar over this decade, with the required number of gigawatt hour increasing from 700 gigawatt hour in 2022 to around 4.7 terawatt hour by 2030. Meanwhile, India has also recently acquired 5 lithium blocks in Argentina and has earmarked billions of dollars in subsidies for EV manufacturing, renewable technology, and electronics that rely on the supply of critical minerals. What do these developments mean for the lithium metal industry? Join us for a discussion on Twitter Spaces to know more.
How many of us have a strategic plan that we're working towards in terms of wealth creation? The answer is not many. Most of us have some vague direction or a concrete number that we're working towards, but there are no clear milestones in between. And most of us don't really pay too much attention to planning because a lot of us think that it's maybe unnecessary or just a nice to have and not the real deal. But strategic planning can be a game changer. It can help us rewrite our story and improve productivity, which essentially means that we can achieve more with less resources if we have a strategic plan in place. Most of us tend to abandon planning because the implementation can be challenging or tricky, and life changes faster than plans do. So we think that without a plan, we can anyway go ahead and deal with whatever is happening at that specific point in time. Actually, adapting to change can be easier if we have a plan in place. And there are three reasons why. Let me tell you what these three reasons are. The first is that when something changes from what we expected, we need to know what has actually changed. The second thing that planning gives us clarity on is where we should focus our attention. So it's important not just to know what has changed, but actually what requires your time and attention at that specific point in time. And the third reason, and this is the most important thing that most of us lose track of, it's that we can now see what the consequences of our choices and actions are when we have a plan in place, because it's so important to see how these different elements interact with each other. When a plan changes, it's not just one thing which is changing, it's many things that are interconnected that are changing at the same time. So this sense of prioritization, action, and studying consequences actually prepares us for change in a much better manner than not having any plan or vision in place. When we zoom out, we get a sense of what the bigger picture is, and that can make this journey to wealth creation so much more enjoyable. When we're zoomed in, we're only focused on the current goal and the next goal, right? And that can leave us with this sense of stress, and it's not a very enjoyable thing to have this feeling where you feel like you're running from one goal to the next and trying to achieve one thing after another without any break or without any sense of direction and purpose. This phenomenon of running from goal to goal and dealing with challenges as they arise is actually not that uncommon, and a lot of us deal with this situation in many areas of our life. So, for example, in time management and task planning, you have something known as the Eisenhower matrix that tries to categorize tasks as urgent versus important. So, what they noticed is that people tend to tackle urgent tasks first, regardless of whether they're important or not. And they tend not to look at non-urgent goals. So when this happens, you can find yourself prioritizing things like upgrading your car or going on vacation, as opposed to planning for something that's not urgent like retirement, which could be 15 or 20 years away, but it's a very important task. So what we actually need to do is refocus and look at what is important and take away the distractions, which are the non-important tasks. They can be urgent, which is basically a distraction, or they can be non-urgent and non-important, which is essentially not a good use of our time and resources. So strategic planning actually allows us to prioritize correctly. And when we're able to do this, we're able to achieve our goals. So there's a strong case for having a strategic plan if you are behind, right? But even in this situation, you'd see that a lot of people don't have a strategic plan, and then they end up dealing with the consequences of not planning enough. So, what tends to happen? There are three things that can happen when we don't have a financial plan in place and we're behind on goals. The first is that we start chasing returns and we become obsessed with them. The second thing is that this could lead us to misallocating capital by choosing the wrong kind of products. The third consequence is that we're forced into trade offs that could result in us losing our financial independence. So, that case is pretty clear. What happens if you're actually ahead of your goals? Does it make sense at this point to have a strategic plan at all? It turns out that strategic planning actually can make a difference even for those who are ahead of their goals. Again, there are 3 or 4 reasons that we can attribute. The first is that strategic planning prevents us from becoming complacent and losing direction. So, that big picture that we talked about, what our ultimate goals are, that we don't lose track of when you have a strategic plan, because you start setting newer targets and newer milestones to cross. The second is that when people have more than they need, they tend to become risk averse and they try to protect what they have. Or they swing in the other direction and they tend to become very aggressive and start chasing things that don't work at all. And when people have more than what they need, they also tend to misallocate capital by chasing complexity rather than the tried and tested strategies that worked well for them in the past. So, without a strategic plan, what tends to happen is that we don't reach our full potential, and that is a tragedy which can easily be avoided. We talked extensively about harnessing your most powerful asset on iThought Investor Day. This was a webinar where we talked about how you can use strategic planning to achieve all of your targets and actually stretch beyond that and achieve more. If you'd like to see more about that webinar and know what we talked about, the link is in the description below and you can catch the webinar there. If you would like some assistance on your strategic plan, then do drop us a message on WhatsApp. Our number is 95000 27285. And before we end this video, I'd like to share one tiny thought from Farnham Street's weekly newsletter. Winning without luck requires doing ordinary things for an extraordinary amount of time. You can win with a strategic plan. Get in touch with us and let us know how we can help you in the next step of your wealth creation journey.